Do you want to make this authentic curry goat dish? Watch until the end. First, wash your meat with lemon and vinegar. Now it's time to season the meat. I'll be using 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1.5 tablespoon of curry powder, 1.5 teaspoon of black pepper, and 3 teaspoons of turmeric. Remember, turmeric gives the goat meat that rich color and it's also good for inflammation. Now it's time to add my fresh seasonings: onions, scallion, garlic, red and green peppers, scotch bonnet peppers, pimento berries, and thyme. Let this marinate overnight or for at least an hour to allow all the flavors to soak in. Add your oil. I'll be using coconut oil. Turn your stove on medium heat and allow this to heat up. Add half tablespoon of curry powder. Burn or toast your curry powder. Then add diced onions, garlic, pimento for extra flavor. This step is very important. Allow it to toast for a few seconds to bring out a rich, flavorful taste in the meat. This is how Jamaicans do it. Now add the goat meat to the pot after burning or toasting your curry powder. Remember to turn your stove to low heat after adding all the meat. Stir the meat in the pot and turn the stove to low heat to allow the meat to release its own juices or water. Let this cook on low heat for about 30 minutes and you'll notice the meat releasing its own juices. After 30 minutes, this is what it looks like. As you can see, the meat has released its own juices. Stir your meat, then add hot water. I'll be adding my thyme, my leftover seasonings, along with carrots and white potatoes. Allow this to cook for about 30 to 40 minutes or until the meat is fully cooked and tender. For that nice Jamaican peppery flavor, add your scotch bonnet pepper to the pot. Remember to allow this to cook for 30 to 40 minutes or until the meat is tender. After about 40 minutes, this is what it looks like. Make sure the meat is cooked thoroughly. I'll be doing a taste test. Remember, the meat should be soft and moist. This tastes really good. This is what Jamaican curry goat should taste like, and this is what it should look like. It's time for me to make a plate, so I paired my curry goat with white rice and purple cabbage. Please remember to turn on your notifications and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye, guys!